This listing is for an Ammco 6000 disc drum lathe. This originally came out of the bus garage of a city facility that, took care of their own buses. And some years back, they stopped using it because they moved their garage facility and they stopped servicing their brake jobs on these buses. They sent it out. They sent it out according to people at the garage. It's been sitting for about 10-12 years, just sitting there unused, so it's got corrosion on it from sitting. It doesn't have a lot of use. It was fully functional when they were using it. We don't know a whole lot about how this thing operates, although we can operate it, and we will. We'll have here's some of the tooling. I'll have individual shots on this also. These feeds are all electrical controlled. Okay, why don't you fire it up? It's single phase.
220.
220.
So you flip the breaker and then it starts that. You can adjust the speed. This is full tilt.
All right. What are we doing? Let's do this side first.
All right. So these are face cuts. So
face cut. Okay, disengage it here.
Now this is that other way.
Which one is that? This one?
Cut.
Oh, this makes it go in the other direction.
Which the?
Oh, this moves?
You can't see it.
Oh, you can't see it. Okay. All right.
This should turn the back one, which we couldn't get to do anything. Oh, it's disconnected, yeah.
You can hear it.
No, that was the one.
Oh. All right.
All right, then the other side.
Let me get over here.
So the same deal on the other side. Face cut should be on. Do you hear it?
It's turning slow.
Yeah, I have it on really slow.
Okay.
And then that's the back one. Then the front one should be. This should all be engaged. This is the front one, the other way.
Which one?
Yeah.
I don't see nothing happening. Oh, here it is. Okay.
No, that was the back one. I don't know. The front one was just stopped working a second ago.
Well, it was working.
It's green.
Yeah, this stuff's got to be taken apart and cleaned up. Like I say, it's been sitting for quite a while. It was fully functional. We got most of it to work. I don't know with which accuracy, but this is what it is. These are very rare, very seldom do they come up for sale. I guess if you have one of these, you just keep it. Doesn't have a lot of use on it, but it's been sitting, and you can see the metal has been oxidized.
marathon. It's a Super 6.
It's a Super 6.
And it says turning and facing lathe electronically. Can't read it.
Well, that'll show up.
Electro-Infimatic control. Model 6000.
This thing is going to have a shipping weight of how much?
1850.
Is that with all this stuff here?
It's probably figure 1900.
Figure about 2,000.
Yeah, it could be.
Figure a couple thousand pounds. This thing is a monster. This is what it is.
220 single phase.
220 single phase. Good luck bidding.